In a bid to position the newly transmuted Lagos State University of Science and Technology as the foremost institution in the country, her management has held a Maiden LASUSTECH Industry Government Interactive Session. It is aimed at getting inputs of relevant government agencies and industry stakeholders into the institution's programs and activities.
We realize that there is a wide gap between the industry and government and as well as the industry. And there is a need for us to close that gap. And when we close that gap, that will afford us an opportunity for those who are in the town to understand, those of us who are wearing the gown, what exactly we are doing, and to be able to provide solutions to some of the challenges that we're having as a nation. And it's our responsibility to continue to ensure that we do that so that we can put our nation where it is expected to be.
Discussions at the meeting centered on the need for the institution to focus on our core areas of competence.
For example, when you look at area of raw materials, some of our entrepreneurs or industries are used to a particular raw materials either to probably be imported. And now that importation and the prices are high, is there alternatives locally that this industry can use without necessarily thinking about importation?
Creating cultures where innovative thinking is inspired, is inclusive, is empowering. And so when you make that part, when you establish such, it gives the opportunity for students to feel wanted, needed, and part of the process that actually makes decisions that changes the system, the status quo of our country.
It's a good initiative that we are bringing the weak and the industries together, because the weak supposed to be feeding the industries, and the communication from industries supposed to get back to the weak so that they can improve on their research and then make the society a better one. I think the essence of it is that we are coming together and the government is giving that support to ensure that at least we get to the goal of this, of achieving our goals in this respect.
Well, the way forward now is that we need to identify our strengths as an institution. We now need to move forward. Then, luckily enough for us, all the various government parastatals that we invited, they are all here. And that is giving a signal that government is actually in total support of what we're doing. So the next line of action is that whatever we need to do and where we need government support, those agencies are here. And once they are here, it means that they key into the vision of the university. So the way forward now is for us to now sit down and develop a framework that will follow up this interactive session.